You want to hold on to those glasses there right here.
JoJo roll. That was intense.
We're on the 105-foot floorless Hydra, the bridge.
Woohoo!
Just went through the JoJo roll.
Now,
Tilt, 7 immersion, 53 miles per hour.
hopefully this,
Aaron's scared.
hopefully this is a fun ride. Here we go. Cover roll. Little air time,
About halfway over, Aaron. It's over.
That was pretty fun. A lot smoother than I thought it would be.